Hey everybody, what's going on? I just came from outside doing some weeds or picking some weeds and things of that nature. I didn't want to put it all on the same video because I didn't want the video to be too long. But I wanted to show you guys our seed starting setup and what we have so far ready to put out in the garden. So let me turn you around and show you what we got. All right, this is what we got here. Our seed starting apparatus shelving area. And our first thing we got lettuce, black seed. We got, what is that? Marv of Four Seasons. Lettuce, red sails. I'm not sure what that is. Bronze.
For some reason, it didn't do anything. So
okay, well those seeds haven't come up yet, but looks like we got some good lettuce seeds. We also have an area downstairs that, you know, because it's cooler downstairs. So these lettuces, we have an area that we're going to be working on to get these lettuces in a cooler place, because it's definitely cooler downstairs than it is in the garage than it is up here. We got our potatoes on the first shelf that we're going to be putting in the ground. The goal is to put them in the conservatory that we had, which is actually the compost area. If you watch the last video, it's the compost area that I threw those weeds in. Then we have the second shelf, which has the lettuces. It's got some other things. What do we have here?
Peppers.
Peppers. Slaughter with son. Watch yourself, son. We have eggplant, which has come up right in here.
Yeah, it's
Got some other eggplants. It looks, you know, but they're
the soil. I think this soil. I might end up changing it because some things just seem not to like.
And what kind of soil is this?
It was back to roots, but I think I needed to put more nutrients in it because they say the seed doesn't need anything in the beginning.
Gotcha.
But I think it it does when it starts to pop up. So
But it's growing though. It's doing something. This here had Aunt Molly's
Didn't
ground
come up.
cherry, but that hasn't come up.
well, it's dry now,
Yet,
but I don't think it's gonna come up.
Oh, okay. Here's a mortgage lifter tomato right here. And then in the back, we got peppers. And they look like they're doing pretty good. Nice green leaves. So let's go down to the next shelf.
It's just more tomatoes.
More
I still need
tomatoes.
to repot. They're kind of
Okay, they need to be repotted, you said?
yeah. They're just not looking good. I need to water too.
What about this?
That's flowers.
These are just regular flowers.
It's a dianthus.
Dianthus. Put that back, bud. What you doing? Are you done with your school? Then get back in there. Get back in there and get your schoolwork did. Yeah, get it done. All right. What we got over here?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes as well. Okay. And then down here we got sweet potato, which is growing really well. And then we have
Bok choy.
mock choy.
Bok.
Oh, bok choy, excuse me, which looks good.
Marigolds in the back.
And then marigolds in the back. Okay, I see. Got marigolds in the back.
They need to be watered. It's not
Right there.
the greatest.
And then we got these over here.
Snapdragon flowers.
Snapdragon flowers.
And in the back is some plants I need to
And in the
repot.
back, we have, you said what?
Kale.
Okay,
and,
kales.
A few peppers I need to repot. It's
Gotcha.
in that same soil.
Got you. Okay. So she's going to need to repot those. Okay, now we do have some outside. All right, we'll slide out here on the deck. And we'll start with the big tray here. What do we got going on here?
These are tomatoes.
Tomatoes? What about these?
Oh, you're talking about the big tray there.
Right here.
Oh, on the bottom there's tomatoes.
Oh, okay.
They're
On the
not-
bottom are tomatoes.
They're not.
So, I mean, they're growing up pretty good.
Yeah, they're not looking the best either. So.
Well, once they hit that ground out there that I just finished getting the weeds out of, I'm sure they will sprout up like crazy. So it looks like we got some, lettuces?
No, those
What is that?
Bok choy.
Oh, okay, bok choy as well.
Collards.
Collards in here?
Yeah.
Right here as well?
Yeah, that's broccoli.
Huh?
Broccoli.
Oh, broccoli? Okay. What is this here? Cabbage?
Cabbage. Cabbage.
Cheers cabbage. Okay, cool. And over here, I can tell that's lettuce right there.
Yeah, it's lettuce.
And I'm assuming that's lettuce as well? Okay, what do we got here?
Those are kales.
Kales. Okay.
And then that's a flower.
That's a flower? What kind of flower is that?
I'm trying to think. It's I can't remember. But
That's
it's
okay.
a Spanish eyes is the type, but I can't remember if it's a black eye Susan.
Black Eye Susan, okay. You sure that's not one of the black eyed peas? Okay, let's go over here. We got the Black Magic broccoli right here.
I don't know if those will make it for us.
They look good.
I mean, they're so young, but
Oh,
we'll
okay.
just try to
How long?
plant them
How
anyway.
long does it take?
I think it's a 65 day to maturity. So
Okay.
it might get too hot before. I don't know.
Okay, so will they do, once we get the thing in the basement, will they do well in the basement with the cooler temperatures?
I mean, you
Because it
want
shouldn't get no more than 60, 65 in the basement.
but they need to
Well, they need
form that
sunlight.
head. Well, they need to form that. I mean, they'll have light, but they don't have. I don't know if they would have enough light if we just kept them in and didn't bring them out
Gotcha.
into the. I'm talking about when they get out in the ground. I don't know if the temperatures will be too high for them. So
And then last over here we have our, what is that? Kohlrabi
yeah,
and our broccoli emerald crown over there by the, right here. Okay, well that's what we're looking at so far this year. My wife just pulled out a nice bag of sugar snap peas that she had in a plastic bag in the dark. Check these things out. We got it in a Ziploc bag. She's got the seeds wrapped in a wet paper towel. And look at that. These bad boys have started sprouting and they're ready to be sown in some dirt. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. There's the root right there, as you can see.
he likes lime.
Anyway, I'm going to end this
April
video
Fool.
here. Thank you guys for taking the time out your day to check out this video. Love you guys. Y'all stay light, stay bright, keep planting, keep growing. And I should have some product reviews coming soon. Talk to you guys later. Peace.